Okay, today we're going to talk about flooring. I know, but stick with me because we're looking at a product that seems super simple on the surface, but it actually opens up this whole surprisingly complicated world. And it all kicks off with one simple question. Seriously, take a second. When I say rubber tile, what's the first image that pops into your head? Maybe a gym, a playground? Go ahead and lock that image in. Yup, I'm willing to bet you pictured something pretty close to this. You know, the classic heavy-duty tile. It's thick, it's durable, maybe it's got that familiar coin dot pattern on it. It's that tough, no-nonsense flooring you'd expect to see in a garage or a serious weight room. But what if I told you that in the Nigerian market, a rubber tile can also look like this? Get this. This is a tile that, and I'm quoting directly, replicates the opulent look of premium Calicut marble, complete with dramatic, wide-sweeping amber veining. We're talking about a floor for a luxury master bathroom. All of a sudden, the term rubber tile just got a whole lot more interesting, right? So how can one little term cover everything from an industrial workspace to a high-end bathroom? Well, that's what we're here to figure out. We're going to start by figuring out what a rubber tile even means in this context. Then we'll look at the great pretenders, the heavy-duty workhorses, some surprisingly stylish options, and finally, we'll crack the code on the price tag. All right, first things first. Let's get our definition straight. What are we actually talking about when we say rubber tile? Okay, so here's the key. In this market, the word rubber is less about what the tile is made of and more about a promise. It's a promise of performance. It's a catch-all term for flooring that's durable, water-resistant, shock-absorbent, and just plain comfortable to walk on. It's a floor that does stuff. And that idea brings us directly to my favorite category, the great pretenders. These are the tiles that give you all those functional perks of rubber while looking like something else entirely. And this is just a perfect example. On one side, you get the beautiful, warm look of a honey oak wood floor. Gorgeous. But on the other side, that's the real magic. You get a floor that's way more comfortable, it's slip-resistant, and it absorbs impact. You get that classic timber look, but with the performance you actually want. It's the best of both worlds. And it's the exact same story with stone. You can have a floor that looks like $1,000,000 with that high-end marble finish that just makes a room feel bigger and brighter. But unlike real marble, which is a pain to maintain, this rubber version is non-porous and super easy to clean. So you get all the luxury without any of the high-maintenance headaches. Okay, let's shift gears. We've seen the imposters. Now let's move on to the products that are proud of what they are, the heavy-duty workhorses. This is probably what you were picturing from the start. For these tiles, the beauty is all in the specs. Just look at this chart. The coin dot tile is a great all-rounder for commercial spaces. But that circular stud tile? At 80,000 naira per square meter, that's the real beast of the bunch. Why? It's a full 30 millimeters thick. It's built to take a beating in gyms and garages. You can see the connection plain as day. The tougher the specs, thicker, harder, the higher the price. But wait, there's more. It's not just about copying other materials or building floors for warehouses. There's this whole other category that's just about pure, unapologetic style. This is where things get really fun and creative. We're talking everything from tiles in a bright, solid shade of red to these incredibly ornate pieces with a bold, central medallion design. There are even these cool geometric mosaics and speckled designs which are actually super practical for hiding dirt in busy places like schools. The sheer variety is just amazing. And, while we were digging through all these descriptions, we found this funny little quirk. For dozens and dozens of these tiles, in the official specifications, right next to the price, there's a field that just says beds, followed by a color. So you'll see a dark rubber tile that's perfect for beds dark blue, or a marble effect tile for beds white. It's just a little copy-paste error that made us chuckle. All right, let's talk money. With a category this massive and diverse, how in the world does the pricing work? Let's decode this price tag. This quote from the source's own market researchers really paints the picture. They're reporting a massive range from as low as 2,500 naira all the way up to 106,000 naira. I mean, that is a huge, huge spread. So the question is, where do all the different tiles we've seen actually fit in? So this is the number you need to keep in your head, 28,800 naira. That's the average price per square meter they found. This is our anchor, our baseline. Anything below this is on the affordable side, and anything above, well, that's heading into premium territory. And this bar chart lays it all out beautifully. Down at the bottom, you've got your most budget-friendly options, those decorative styles and the faux marble, averaging around 11 to 16,000 naira. Then in the middle, you have the nicer faux woods and solid colors. And then way up at the top, you see the heavy-duty industrial tiles, where the prices just skyrocket based on their performance. The pattern is crystal clear. You might pay a little for looks, but you pay a real premium for performance. Okay, so we've looked at all these different styles, all these specs, and all these prices. What's the big picture here? What does it all mean? Let's wrap it up with the key takeaways. So, what did we learn today? Well, first, that rubber isn't a material. It's a promise of durability and practicality. Second, we learned you don't have to choose between a floor that looks good and a floor that works well. You can have both. Third, we saw just how incredibly diverse this market is. There really is a tile for every single job. And finally, and this is maybe the most important part, price follows performance. The tougher the tile, the more you're going to pay. Simple as that. So the next time you walk into a room and you're admiring a gorgeous wood floor or a stunning marble finish, just pause for a second. Take a closer look, because you might just be standing on a very, very convincing rubber tile.